Here in the Pacific Northwest, our weather can occasionally be a little unpredictable. In the blink of an eye, a summer afternoon breeze can bring rain, hail, thunder, and lightning. And a postcard-perfect winter snowfall can quickly turn ugly, shutting a city down in a matter of minutes. When those storms come, there is a chance they'll lead to a power outage, and it's our job to restore that power as quickly and as safely as possible. But how? First, we need to assess the situation. If it's a widespread outage, Avista teams will prioritize our response, restoring service to hospitals, police and fire, and water treatment facilities first. Then, we'll focus on bringing the most customers back online in the shortest amount of time. If it's a damaged substation that's causing the problem, it can mean a lot of affected customers and longer repair times. It can also mean working several blocks or even miles from the outage itself. So you might not see an Avista truck in your neighborhood, but rest assured, we're on it. And even when it appears to be a simple problem, like a tree branch that's fallen and severed a power line, that doesn't always mean it's a simple fix. The line has to be de-energized and the area cleared before our crews can safely get to work. And if the line can't be spliced together, it needs to be replaced. And if the pole is damaged, a new one needs to be set. And if it's more than one line, well, you get the picture. Once repairs have been made and the work inspected, the lines are re-energized, your lights turned back on, and everything's back to normal. Around here, you never know when a storm might hit or how serious it'll turn out to be. But you can be certain that Avista crews will be ready, working their hardest to ensure that if your power ever goes out, it'll be back on as quickly and as safely as possible.